Do you feel shy when you speak English? Do you know the words but your mouth feels stuck? Do you want to talk about your real life, but in simple English?
What if you could practice English with a calm, friendly conversation? What if you could talk about your Ramadan day, step by step, without fear?
If that sounds like you, stay with us. This episode is for you. Hello and welcome everyone.
Welcome to our channel English Glow Up.
This is the place where learning English feels easy, calm, and natural.
We speak slowly. We use simple words. We help you feel confident.
If you feel shy speaking English, you are not alone.
And you are in the right place.
Before we start, please take 1 second.
Like this video.
Subscribe to English Glow Up.
And share it with someone who wants to improve their English.
Okay, let's begin. Today's topic is very special.
We will talk about a full Ramadan day.
From Suhoor
To Iftar.
we will use simple English.
We will use real-life examples.
And we will talk like two real people.
No stress. No pressure.
Just listening and speaking with us.
This is not a test.
This is practice.
And practice builds confidence.
Let's start with Suhoor.
Suhoor is the meal before fasting.
It is early in the morning.
Very early.
Okay, let's do a role play. Good morning, Paul.
Good morning, Emily. Are you awake for Suhoor?
Yes, I just woke up.
How do you feel?
I feel sleepy, but calm.
Same here. What are you eating?
I am eating eggs and bread.
Nice. I'm drinking water and tea.
That sounds good. Now, listen carefully.
We will repeat some sentences.
Say it with me.
I wake up early for Suhoor.
Again, I wake up early for Suhoor.
Good.
Try this one.
I eat simple food.
Your turn. Say it now.
Great job. Quick question.
Answer in your head or in the comments.
What do you eat for Suhoor?
Say one sentence.
I eat for Suhoor.
Try it now.
Perfect.
If you make a mistake, it's okay.
Mistakes mean you are learning.
Think about a baby,
A baby falls many times.
but the baby keeps walking.
English is the same.
After Suhoor, the day starts.
We pray Fajr.
Then we begin fasting.
Let's talk about the morning.
Paul, what do you do after Fajr?
I pray. Then I rest a little.
Do you go back to sleep?
Yes, sometimes.
Me too. Let's practice.
Repeat after us.
I pray Fajr.
Again. I pray Fajr.
Good.
Next sentence.
I start my fast.
Your turn.
Now you try.
Complete this sentence.
After fire, I.
Say it.
Nice. Now let's talk about work or study.
Many people work while fasting,
It can be hard.
but we can describe it in simple English.
Paul, are you working today?
Yes, I am working.
How do you feel?
I feel a little tired.
Do you drink coffee?
No, I don't.
Same here. Repeat this.
I work during Ramadan.
Again. I work during Ramadan.
Next.
I feel tired but patient.
Your turn.
Choose one.
I feel tired. Or, I feel energetic.
Which one is true for you?
Say it.
It's okay to feel tired.
Ramadan teaches patience.
And English teaches patience too.
Small steps every day.
Now it's afternoon.
The day feels long.
Let's talk about it. Paul, how is your afternoon?
It is slow.
What do you do?
I work. I rest. I wait for Iftar.
Yes, waiting for Iftar feels long. Repeat.
I wait for Iftar.
Again. I wait for Iftar.
Good. Say this.
In the afternoon, I/in minute.
Your turn.
Now comes the happy part.
Preparing for Iftar.
Let's role play again. Paul, are you helping with Iftar?
Yes, I am.
What are you making?
I am making soup.
Nice. I am setting the table. Repeat after us.
I prepare food for Iftar.
Again. I prepare food for Iftar. Quick question.
What do you drink at Iftar?
Water? Juice?
Say one sentence.
I drink at Iftar. This is the moment.
The fast ends.
Let's talk about Iftar. It's time, Paul.
Yes, it's Iftar time.
How do you feel?
I feel grateful.
Me too.
What do you eat first?
I eat dates.
Same here.
Repeat.
I break my fast at Iftar.
Again, I break my fast at Iftar. Say this with feeling.
I feel grateful.
Your turn. After Iftar, the evening starts.
We pray. We relax.
Let's talk about Tarawih. Paul, do you pray Tarawih?
Yes, I do.
How do you feel after?
I feel peaceful.
That's a beautiful word. Repeat.
I pray Tarawih.
Again. I feel peaceful. You spoke many sentences today.
Even if they were simple.
Simple English is strong English.
Confidence comes from practice.
Let's recap.
We talked about Suhoor,
We talked about the morning,
work and study,
afternoon,
preparing for Iftar,
Iftar time.
evening, and Tarawih.
You practiced real English.
About your real life.
Now it's your turn.
Write one comment.
Describe your Ramadan day.
1 or 2 sentences is enough.
Practice today.
Not tomorrow.
If this helped you,
Like this video.
subscribe to English Glow Up.
And keep watching our videos.
We are here to help you.
Step by step.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Take care and keep glowing in English.